Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. Today we're gonna talk about the top 5 motorcycle accessories. Number 1 is the phone mount. Almost every motorcyclist is riding with a navigation tool, many of them with one on their phone, like the application Kalimoto that I use. So it is necessary to have some kind of device that is holding your phone in a way you can easily read the HUD of your navigation. So that's where the phone mount comes into play. There are several different types when it comes to those mounts. I'm using a mount that is called SP Connect. It connects directly to your phone cover and it is rock solid. The only downside to it is when your phone gets a mechanical camera stabilizer. But for this reason, they even created an anti-vibration mod so it doesn't destroy your cam stabilizer. I will link you the mount in the comments down below, but by the way, I am not affiliated with them. I am just thinking that it is a great product and I'm already using it for 2 years. Number 2 is a bike lifter. These things are pretty nice to have when it comes to maintaining your bike or maneuvering around in narrow space. When you want to loop your chain, it is also quite comfortable because you can just turn the rear wheel without moving the bike. So I would really recommend anybody to get one of these. When you like these tips so far, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, that would be massively appreciated. The next one is the Pinlock visor. I think every motorcyclist was already in the situation that you were riding when it was cold or raining out there, and your visor suddenly started to fog up. That's where the Pinlock visor edition comes into play. It creates a kind of air cushion between the visor and the Pinlock screen, so your visor isn't getting fogged up. I used this accessory right since it got released and I'm really happy with it, especially when I'm riding in conditions where the temperature differences are pretty significant, like in the Alps. The next one is the adjustable brake and clutch levers. Those are really nice because everybody can adjust those levers to their specific needs and size of their hands. Because everybody is different, for some people it is easier to reach those levers than for others. And most new bikes haven't got adjustable levers right from factory. So grab one of these. They aren't that expensive, they are like 120 euros for both, and they add a bunch of comfort and even safety to them, because they're easy to reach and in emergency situations automatically in the right position to use. And now we get to the last point. Number 5 is a tank bag. Why do you think this is a top accessory? Because everybody got something to carry when you're on the bike. But when you carry those things in a normal backpack, this can get quite uncomfortable after a while, and when you're carrying those things in your riding jacket, this could get pretty dangerous. Imagine you keep your keys in your pocket of the jacket and you somehow get involved into an accident and you hit the road with your chest. There's a high chance that you will smash the key through your lungs quite easily. So that's just 2 reasons why I would recommend the tank bag. They're also quite easy to de and attach, at least when you grab some high quality ones like the ones from SW Modec, which are linked down below. I got the day pack from SW and they snap on easily and get detached with only one gentle pull on the leash. I used this one already for 2 years and I am really happy with them. So I hope I helped you out to decide which accessory you should get for your bike. I'll see you next time. Ride safe, ride your ride. Goodbye.